further understand the concept of pairwise testing using orthogonal array, we discuss another example. Suppose this is a web form where we have total 4 fields: first field, second, third, and fourth. And the first field has 3 values, second has 3 values, the third field has 2 values, and the fourth has 3 values. So for this scenario, first of all we will find the relevant orthogonal array, and it is quite possible that we will not find the exact orthogonal array, but we will accept any orthogonal array that is near to it, but that may be greater than this or larger than this scenario, but that should not be less in size than this scenario. So we take an orthogonal array which has 4 columns, and 4 columns means we will map each column with each field, and every column has 3 values. Although in third column we do not have 3 values, we have only 2 values, but it is okay if the given orthogonal array has more values, but it is not okay if it has less values. So this orthogonal array is quite okay for this scenario. So to write test cases, we will first of all map these fields with these columns. So the first field is mapped with this first columns, and the second field, education, is mapped with this second column, and say gender is mapped with this third column, and this age group is mapped with this fourth column. And now we will fill in the values in these cells, and to fill in the values in these cells we will assign numbers to the values. Say we assign 1 to Punjabi, 2 to Sindhi, and 3 to Pashto, and similarly 1, 2, and 3, 1 and 2, as we have only 2 values, 1, 2, and 3. Now we fill in this column. Let me change the color so that it becomes more prominent. So wherever we will find 1, we will replace it with Punjabi. So the Punjabi will be here, here, and here. And next, wherever we will find 2, we will replace it with Sindhi. So Sindhi will be here, here, and here. And Pashto will be here, here, and here. And in the next column we will replace 1 with metric, 2 with inter, and 3 with BA. So metric will come here and here and here, whereas the inter will come here and here and here, and the BA, let me change the color of the ball pen, the BA will come here, here, and here. And in the same way we will fill these 2 columns, but the point is, for this column, that is the gender column, we have only 2 values. So wherever we will find 1, we will replace it with male. So male will come here, here, and here, and the female will replace the value 2. It will come here and here and here. So these values, this one, this 3, this 3, and this 3, these are extra values. But you know, while testing, suppose say this is a text web page, we cannot keep empty. We cannot, you can say, we need to select any at least one value from each field, so we cannot leave it empty. So we have to choose either male or female. So for this test cases, this test case and this test case and this test case, we do need to choose some value. So what value should we choose? There are different algorithms. The one is you can choose value randomly. Say for this you randomly choose male, and for this you randomly choose male, and for this you randomly choose female. And the other technique is you choose those values for which you think that they are more prone to errors, that they are more subject to uh, unacceptable behavior. So, and the third technique is you can choose the value in round robin fashion. The round robin fashion means for the first three you will choose the first value male, and for the next occurrence of 3 you will choose female, and for the next occurrence of 3 you will again choose the male, and so on. So you can choose any one of these 3 techniques. So and for the column 4, as I said earlier, we have 3 options and 3 fields in this, 3 values in this field. So we will map teen with 1, and 22 to 40 with 2, and above 40 with 3. So this is how we write test cases using the technique of pairwise testing with the help of orthogonal arrays. Stay blessed and stay tuned.